Hakini ke video ngani kaya phi kumno bu Phin apply nakmata ka application forms kabdai jonga state Quota ka Bangladesh ban pinmi hak to ka video ka Bangladesh kata kabdai jonga course B pharmacy D pharmacy BMLT BSc radio imaging and cardiac instrumentations BSc ophthalmic jonga snem arjar arpsau ado arjar arpsan. So these are the general instructions for all the candidates who want to fill up the application forms through online mode. The general instruction kaban kong all fill are mandatory pero khoj kya ban pandabut kini ki box ki ba nagalyang jo ka department ka pa pandab ipi. Enclosure mandatory like passport size photograph and the age proof kum ka birth certificate lani class 10 admit card but juru ka class 12 mark sheet ka scheduled tribes certificate but ka permanent residential certificate. So kini ki instruction lani ki documents which are mandatory for all the candidates and we also have notes. Please do not apply multiple times. So lagar part ya ki candidates lani ki applicants kinde ban apply bunsin nagamta kani ka application forms. Only one application will be accepted. Tangkaway ka application la ban pediang way candidate and the rest of the duplicate application will be treated as rejected. Week pada ki application lada pidang apply nalor kaway long ba can reject ya kata application forms ke jongpi. So in case you have already applied earlier, click here to print application. So lada pila apply come and Shwa te piaban click hangne the blue sentence te piaban print ya ka application forms ke jongpi. La kapat ya ki students ki bakwa ban pule na banta ki course lengba ka state Quota pepin som haban apply no lengba ka online mode da ka ba phi pendap ye kini ki ejing don kam baro khoi te to mentang in page kumhang ni number 1 select center for screening. So kadon hang te ka Shillong Batura. So for the students of Shillong centers you have to click here in Shillong, but for the candidates belongs in Tura you have to click here for Tura centers. And kandon ru hang ni ka percentage of mark in class 12 hang ni pinaban pandap ya ka percentage. Suppose you get 40 percentage above, then you have to fill up here. For example, company P la ban calculate ya dan ni kila don lupa gi percentage apo ka mark sheet ke jumpi ya ban penung tu like 50 percentage. Example nang ta pya ban pe kat kum ba phio ya ka percentage ma nang ta percentage of PCB marks ka percentage ka ba phio ha ka PCB marks lani ka physics chemistry but biology te pya ban calculate ya kini ki marks jong ka physics chemistry but biology te sapandap hang ni phio ka no percentage supo 60% 30 hang ni pide ban yo 30 hadu 100 tila da phio 30 ru tila la ban apply nak ban te course taba hang ni pade 40 hadu 100. So next we have a percentage of PCBE marks hang ni pade nagbanta ka subject physics chemistry biology but ka English marks pihak ban pendap ya ka percentage suppose 67 percentage. After that we will come to the next steps. Kata name of the course indicate in the order of preference, that is number 1 2 3 4 and 5. So pihak ban jit ye kini ki course phikwa ban puli ayu B pharmacy number 1 phila ban nangta D pharmacy nangta phila ban pendap BMLT BSc radiology and BFC ophthalmic te pihak ban pendap da kinba mo suppose phikwa ban puli B pharmacy te you can add one here then 2 3 4 1 number 5 okay so ketu ka step ke ba pihak ban pendam so next pada ni one akan ni ka step jong ka bakam pesan kepada name of candidates ini name of candidates pihak ban pendam ya ka kerteng ke jong phi te pendam kerteng ke jong phi hang ni hang ta actually hang ni ke di first name hang ni ke di ka last name pendap first name kerteng jong phi last name ka jai nang ta gender hang ni pihak ban jit male or female and date of birth ya ban pendap date of birth hang ni suppose like 2nd of August 19 suppose 2000 nationality Indian mobile number so you have to give your mobile number hang ni nang ta select category khasi gentia schedule tribe and valid email ID so this is very important options so nakamata u email ID u de ban de u valid ba dang phi uba phi pendon kaman la report te lada don kenu ka khubor nang ba ka department te kin sapha ye phi ya ka notification nang ba ni u email address uba phi ai hang ne sumatangin page ya kini ka permanent address ha ka ba hagani option ka ba hajrong khandiat kani ti phya ban pendap parents or guardian names phya ban pendap ya parents lane guardian names kata kating imi lane ipa jung phi lane kinu ki guardians names ki jung phi and the next we come to the permanent address that is here we have the options Meghalaya so we have East Kashil or any district where you live the piaban select ru ya ka block so lada degi basa shupo garu piaban pendak tu so we are from suppose let me see yes so young block or any other blocks where you live the piaban pendak ru ya ka kerteng shnong ga jongphi suppose abagre village or town the address full address piaban pendam ya ka kerteng jasa jongphi ban pin code office number yani PO number piaban pendap hang ni like 7 okay okay ini pin code number pila ban pendap hang tu nang the address of communication so this you have to tick same as above kumut ba kani ka address of communication kan di keju kum ketika permanent address so pihak ban pendap hang ti keju hi hang ne district then select block kumba bi select hapo ka permanent address select town village address full address or PO and pin code number so we come next enclosure so this also very important option so here I would like to tells you that please read carefully the instruction before you upload the passport size. So see maximum 400 KB image file only. So ka maximum kilobyte kan day tang sauce pa kilobyte but Phin upload ya ka passport size ke jong pi. So you can select here. This a pic ya ka passport size ke jong pi la long. Nang ta age proof hang ne pade ka maximum jong ka file ke jong pi kan day sans pa kilobyte. Hang ne ru pi ha ban shina bha ya kan ni ka age proof ka bade lang ba ka date of birth ti pi ha ban click ha ban shina ba ka file ke jong pi kan day ha po sans pa kilobyte. This upload hang ne kla long be. Okay. Ka class 12 mark sheet kan ne ru ka ju hi pi ha ban upload but ka file jong ka kan day ha po sans pa kilobyte hi. Nang ta schedule tribe certificate ru sans pa kilobyte ka file and also the permanent residential certificate kan ni ru ka maximum file size kan day sans pa kilobyte. So din ba phila de ban upload ikini barok khoi te se enter ya new captcha badon room hangni tu captcha budi ha kani ka application ku changa udon df9f02e te din ba phila de ban pandap yu ni te Peit ba kana ba Phin ba kala ha ba don u capital D so we have ban put capital D other don small f right small f 9 tum ta te satik hang ni til one u blue color hang te nang ta sa submit ya hadin ba pila submit kala long te pi sala ban Peit ya ka application form ke jong pi da ka ba pi Peit nang ne na jero hang ne click here to print application te hadin ba pila de ban submit sang ban print ya application form ke jong pi to ngacharai phila yo jingtip hagbai dei bat kanik application forms kumno ba Phin apply lengba ka mobile phone ka jongphi je kermen Phin le ya kabadon kam bat lada phidang don ki bum su thu lane kiching hagaba phi le lane phi apply ya kitegi course sohaban comment hapo ka comment section ke jonga khnang bangan la kumno ban ikai bhai phi te tangkani hi karpat ya ki applicants lani ki viewers ki badang thamai Phin subhaban share like and subscribe ya ka channel ke jonga but kunjuru bapinyo ya ki new information or new updates kini kisi ki banangwan te khuble shubu